In July of 2020, a sheriff's deputy with Oakland County, Michigan, observed a black Dodge Charger with flashing red and blue lights pass stopped traffic to address a disabled motorist. The driver of the Charger, later identified as Charles Molina, stopped his vehicle to talk to the driver of the disabled vehicle. As Deputy Lamke pulls up to the scene, Charles Molina can be seen wearing civilian clothing standing away from his vehicle. The deputy then noticed that Mr. Molina's vehicle was equipped with police-like equipment such as a radar unit, camera, and bars in the back window. He asked him to identify which law enforcement agency he was with, and Molina refused to respond. He later responded that he was a bounty hunter. The deputies move the impersonator's vehicle out of traffic to the nearby gas station while they call a tow truck to assist with the disabled motorist.
All the way up on in. Glorious. We're gonna take the
out of the street. He's got a gun on the seat.
All right, you gonna take this? We gonna take this guy to OCJ, or you think they're gonna take him? We're just gonna cut him loose and ride it. Cut him loose and ride it. Yeah.
Put him pound the car and everything like that.
I didn't run the plate yet. I'm gonna go get this guy started on a statement about what happened.
Yeah.
Officer Ritter gave me his phone number.
So that guy's got blue and red lights on his car, an Ohio plate. He's got a radar type unit in that car and all that kind of stuff. He flagged him down. He's not a police officer.
He said he was a police officer?
He didn't say he was a police officer.
He's lit up like he's one.
Yeah, and I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk to him again about whether he said he was or not, or how it went. But
who's this? Okay.
Did he tell you he was a police officer? Didn't flag him down?
No, I just assumed he was one because the way his vehicle looked. So he was coming down this way. He was the first vehicle that I saw with the lights and all that.
Mm-hmm.
So I just made him flag him down. He turned around and came back up. And I just said, hey man, my car's completely dead and I don't want to get hit. Because, I know how busy this street can get. And he said, well, let me pull up here and I'll see if I can push you. And then I said, well, can you push me here? Because I'll push you here because people won't see my lights and blah, blah, blah. And that's when the gentleman right here pulled up.
Okay.
And that was it. That was literally, that's how it went down.
All right.
Yeah.
So, would you mind filling out a witness statement and let me know what happened?
Absolutely.
Cool.
Yeah,
just how you came about him, that you flagged him down and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, this happened to me by chance, really.
Yeah.
Standing in the driver's door of the vehicle is a member of the Oakland County Sheriff's Department.
Hey, Sarge. One of our guys has, Jesus Christ. All right. One of our guys has Charger. It's got red and blue lights on it. It's got like a radar type unit in it. He does have a gun in the car. Apparently he's a bounty hunter. He's got Ohio plates on the vehicle. That's what he said, he's a bounty hunter. Waterford was dealing with him. Right, I know. So I have Adler's en route. I'm assuming we're in the car sending this up to, I just want to make sure it's good with you. Send it up to the, well, he got flagged down by a disabled motorist. He flips around, turns on his lights and all that, and yeah. Do you want me to take it to Central to have them take the light bar and all that kind of stuff off, or do you want me to just have to take him to Adler's? Yeah. The west lot, leave everything on it. There's a gun in the car. I haven't run the numbers on it or anything. Well, Waterford was here and they weren't going to do anything apparently. But I was like, oh my God, no, let's just take it. And they said, yeah, we could take it. That's what they said.
As officers search his car, note the bars in the windows resembling police equipment.
Yep. What is this? Is this his mic? That's his mic.
Further investigation showed that prior days, people had called 911 to report Molina's car driving with activated lights and sirens, suspecting him to not be a police officer.
I should probably take some notes.
This? No, not if you can bury it.
Just take it back behind that route back there for you.
And the West lot, they told me Adler's. I suggested Central. I suggested West lot. They said Adler's. I called Hubble. I think he was talking to Spencer.
Ultimately, Molina had a concealed pistol license and a bounty hunter license, and was therefore only charged with a misdemeanor count of unauthorized use of emergency lights. Thanks for watching, share this if you enjoyed, and please keep an eye out for more exclusives.
He didn't put his address down, or his date of birth. He's still back there
Or
with
his driver's license number down there.
Yeah, I'll get that. 67. Thank you.